How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So to find hidden locked chats first, obviously you need to hide those chats. So I'm going to show you first how you can hide them. So let's say this is the specific chat that I wish to hide. So what you got to do is simply scroll the chat to the left and you'll be able to see more. Click on more. And then you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you got to click on lock chat. Once you click on lock chat, it would say keep this chat locked and hidden. Click on continue. So they're going to verify using your Face ID and it would say this chat is locked. Click on OK. So here at the top, you'll be able to see locked chats. Click on it and verify using your Face ID. And then here are the locked chats. Now you got to click on settings. And after that, you'll be able to see this option that says hide locked chats and secret code. So you're going to set a secret code in order to find those hidden chats. For example, you're going to type in any secret code. I'm going to type in 1234. After that, click on next. And then you can simply confirm it once again. Click on done. And now you got to toggle this button on. And then click on this again. Type in your secret code again, and now you can see that the hidden locked chats toggle button has been turned on. Now when you go back, you'll be able to see you're not able to see the locked chats section over here. Now in order to find the hidden locked chats, you gotta go to the search bar and type in your secret code. Once you type your secret code down, you'll be able to see locked chats appear over here. Click on it. And now here are the locked chats. So that is basically how you can find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.